Miseryville.
Let's go to a party, go crazy. Hey, 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 Jimmy Two Shoes. Hey, hey, Jimmy, Jimmy. I just wanna have some fun, just like everyone. I just wanna really tell downtown, Jimmy gets around. Hey,
Here he is, the master of misery, the gonzo of grief, the head honcho of Lucius Heinous the Seventh.
I want to hear applause! I want to hear cheers!
Cheer, cheer, cheer!
What sound does a cow make?
Moo!
Hear me!
Oh, you flatter me. It's a tag team championship of Miseryville between the great Gobslobbers and none other than Mildred And their challengers, Close Guy and his partner, the Masked Jackhammer. Let the excitement commence! An old showdown!
1 second in the ring, I'd show 'em. I got the fancy moves. Ah.
And the winner, Close Guy and the Masked Jackhammer! Sigh. Now we're going to have to do auditions for a replacement. Run the ad! Misery! Pain! Humiliation! Come to the audition if you've got what it takes.
You bet I do! Beezy, I'm gonna win that audition.
Go for it. I've got a doctor on speed dial.
Watch out, suckers. Jimmy's on the loose.
Last man in the ring becomes the Masked Jackhammer's next partner.
Oh, yeah! Can't keep up with these, sweet feet. Oh, yeah! Hey, my shoes are untied.
Got some bandages for you, Jimmy.
I won.
He won?
He won?
He won? I won!
I always believed in you, dude. Beezy Got Talent Agency. My client doesn't wrestle until we work out a proper deal.
Ah! He wrestles. I give you a bag of chips.
I laugh at that offer. Ha! No way, Dad. Never. What flavor?
Dirty feet.
Deal! Open! Open! Oh! Ow!
The carnage! The mayhem! Ooh, Heloise, you've outdone yourself this time.
It's no fair. How come she gets to wear the costume?
I invented it.
And it doesn't come in size whitey, baby.
Fine, I can take a hint. You don't need to drop a gargoyle on top of me.
We've got a real barn burner tonight. The Masked Jackhammer and Jimmy the Squirt
I heard that!
against Sticky Boy and the one, the only, Fighting Armpit.
I'm down here ringside. You can feel the intensity.
Open! Open!
Huh?
the Masked Jackhammer and Jimmy the Squirt!
I won? I won! No. I mean, yo, you helped, really contributed. Major factor.
Bring on the next opponent!
Come on, who's next? Let me at him.
No one? Then I order the next match to be between you two.
You're on! Don't worry, I'll try not to do too much damage.
Relax. It's all about showbiz. Give the mob a taste of misery.
I don't think so.
You're not going to hurt him. A little mashing, a little ka-chang, maybe some kapow! Jimmy, over here!
You call for the champ? Heloise, did you see the last fight? Between you and me, that jackhammer looked sleepy tired,
I'll bet he's nervous about fighting you.
He should be. I've got the moves. I'm tough like nails. He's tough like marshmallow. Ooh, I'm gonna eat him up with ketchup. And a side order, get out of town. Nobody takes on Jimmy the... Hey, Beezy, what's my name again?
Jimmy the Tough, Jimmy the Man, Jimmy the Jackhammer Crusher.
Oh, kapow!
What's up with her?
You know him! You fear him! The Masked Jackhammer! You barely know him. Get the ambulance ready, the other guy.
I'm down here, ring.
You opened my chips.
Who'll win this match is anyone's guess!
Jimmy, time to amp up the wrestling stick.
Yo, Tinhead, are you ready for a spanking? Even a little girl like Heloise can take on the wimpy hammer. Time to get it on. So what do you want first, huh? A little of this? Oh, yeah. Some of this? Oh, too fast. Oh, maybe this. Let me at him. Is that all? All you got?
Looks like it's time to shake down the house!
This isn't fun!
What am I doing? The fight's over!
Heloise! I knew it was you all along. That's why I didn't give you the old 1-2. Like this. Hi-ya! Oh! Good one.
Enough already! Finish him off!
I said it's over.
Only Lucius Heinous the Seventh says when the fighting's over! Sammy, you know what to do!
El Guasho! Bring on the sequence!
El Squasho, need an agent?
Easy.
I'm trying to run a business here.
Now, to make things more interesting, we will fight over the abyss of nothingness! To the winner goes victory! The loser gets nothing! Get it? Abyss of nothingness. Nothing! El Squasho!
This would be a good time to break out your fancy footwork.
You think so?
I know so. Let him rip.
Nobody beats Sammy in a dance-off!
Chip?
This is our next great instrument of misery.
Check it out.
Hilarious.
Yes! I have outdone myself with my latest invention. How do I think of these things?
Glad you like it.
I want every sink in Miseryville fitted with the misery tap.
Commercials! It's a must-go! Fireball Extreme! Wow! Extreme! Must be the hottest drink in all of Miseryville! Fireball Extreme!
An explosion in every gulp!
Jimmy, you're not doing it right!
I gotta do that!
I gotta go to the can.
Easy! Oh, hurry up, I gotta go too! Yeah. You pee sitting down?
Take a picture, why don't you?
Gotta pee. I've gotta pee.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Oh, gotta pee. Hold it. Let me guess. Fireball Extreme? Oh, gotta learn how to do that. Oh, but first, gotta pee. I gotta pee.
Excuse me. Do you mind?
Oh, sorry about that.
Warning, this property is private and personal with a capital P.
Wow. Gotta pee.
This toilet is password protected. Only Elite 7 and certain people, meaning me, know the secret code.
Code accepted.
This is a throne room. I've got to pee.
An intruder on the security monitor.
I've got to pee.
It can't
No,
be.
I've got to pee.
It is.
Gonna pee.
You can't pee here. This is my personal private privy. You are prohibited from these premises. Grab him. In fact, you are banned from every washroom in Miseryville. And anybody who takes pity on him will share his punishment.
Yeah, no problem. I've got my own bathroom. So, not to speed this up, but when do you think it'll be ready?
Super speedy. Your new tap right here.
I got to pee!
It is extreme, but it could be extremier.
Try this.
Wow! I'll be in the can. Pee.
Can I use your washroom?
Sure, but Beezy's in there.
It wasn't me.
You pee sitting down?
I gotta pee.
I said nobody could help Jimmy, and that includes you.
That's it. I'm not taking any chances. I'm destroying every bathroom in Miseryville. Turn on all the taps.
No! Why can't I do that?
You've got to hold it back a sec. You cannot rush the burp.
Oh, now I really gotta go to the bathroom.
Chill. You can use mine.
Let me guess. Your bathroom?
Uh-huh. And that was Dad's.
You destroyed my bathroom! Never demolish anything that belongs to Lucius Heinous the Seventh! Get me the nearest bathroom builder. How long to fix my bathroom?
Like that.
Hey! He's supposed to finish my bathroom first.
Get in line! He's doing mine.
Gas says who?
I'm doing his.
3 days later. Gotta pee. Oh, can't we go any quicker?
Technically, yes.
What are you doing? Giving this place some class.
Throw him into the abyss of nothingness.
Wait! You're Lucius Heinous the Seventh. You can hold it for weeks, months, years, longer than Jimmy Two Shoes.
I'm fine.
So am I.
Guys, check it out. My new tap. It's golden. You're in for a treat. I've got Fireball Extreme for everybody.
Ready.
What's the secret code?
It's a 75-digit code. 5, 3, 17, 3, 17.
I have an idea.
Wait.
But you have to rebuild everybody's bathrooms and let me use your toilet.
Wait. Did I say 17?
All right, you can use it. Now open the door. You're having a soda? Now?
Remember, hold it back a second. You cannot rush the burp.
Burn! Burn!
Who wants a marshmallow? Oh.
forget to wash your hands.
Don't touch those chairs!
Now that's quality work.